Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm back again, walking you on a journey with me through my digital marketing training that I'm going through and what I'm learning. And so System.io is the system that I'm using to sell my digital products and services on. And so step-by-step video instructions help me to build out my funnels. They gave me pre-built funnel templates to use where I can take them and edit them and make them my own based on my branding and my colors and what I'm trying to represent concerning my business. And so these here, I'm going to show you this one. I created this one using a template. This is a squeeze page. And so I put this together. This here, we're going to build my list. This helped me build my list. And then let me go back. This is the one I want to show you right here. This is my squeeze page where it's going to let you know about what I'm offering and what you get. And I get your information to build my list with. And then from there, you go to order page. Right now, I'm promoting something right now, so I get to build my list at the same time. And so this is my order page, and here it's $4.95, and this is for people who have a pizza only situation where they don't have an EFIN yet. They're not really in a rush to get one, so they want to work under someone EFIN to do a revenue split. So this $4.95, if you make the purchase anytime this month, you don't have to worry about the revenue split during the upcoming tax season. That'll be waived for all people who make a purchase during the month of July. And so this here is what I did on the order page. I put all this in here. And so, and then my thank you page. So I'm all about keeping stuff simple. So that's how I always work. Keep it simple. You know what I'm saying? I've never been over the top. Just keep it simple. And so that's one of the funnels that I built out to sell my program, working with new clients who want to start their own tax preparation business but don't want to start with getting their EFIN and all those things done right away. They want to work under somebody first, learn how the business works, get some experience, get comfortable, get confident. And then when they're ready to go to the next level, then they got me to help them fill out the EFIN application, because that's what I do as a service provider. I help the new person who's looking to get started in this career industry get started from A to Z with their own tax preparation business. And so from there, I'll go back here. And this here is my funnel for my online business digital training platform. And so for people who want to invest in the digital education piece, because you want to have a successful online business, this is the education you need. This is here's a one-time investment of $500, and so this here page is how my page starts. They read this information, they give me their name and address, they go to my email list, and from there, this is my sales page. And this is a pre-built sales page that was given to me, and I just modified it to make it look like I want it to a certain extent. I just added a few touches, like this my logo I added. This is, of course, me again, because you see I'm using the same message on this page. This here stuff was, like I say, given to me pre-built. A lot of this stuff I didn't touch because I had no problem with it. Of course, I put my logos here, and so I make certain touches on certain pages, you know what I'm saying? And so that's my funnel to sell my digital training platform with master resale rights. So you get master resale rights with this. And so that's my order page. You get to check it out. And so this is $500 one-time investment. You have the option of using Klarna, or you can do Afterpay. That way you can pay for it over 6 weeks' time if you don't have $500 right then and there, but you are making money on a regular basis, or you have consistent income coming in. So that's an option where you can use Afterpay or Klarna to join this opportunity where you can learn and earn at the same time. And if you join me, I'm going to help you every step of the way when it comes to having your funnel done right, making sure it's all connected right, make sure everything is designed to do what it needs to do. For us, the automation piece, there's a digital product. And so all this stuff I help you set up, I have this course that's linked to it. So for the person who buys my digital educational resale rights product, they get this free training declaration course for joining me. And so that's a bonus that I'm giving out. And so that's just a little bit of what I'm doing using System.io. You know, we have a lot of features. You know what I'm saying? I had to upgrade to the $27 plan because the free plan only help you do very little. And if you're doing all the different things that I'm doing inside my business, you definitely going to have to upgrade to at least the starter plan for $27. And so this is my course. Go over here to courses. So these are the tax preparation training. This is a guide that I wrote that I'm selling through my own platform for $47. And so I'm doing a lot of different things to generate online income based on what I'm learning through the digital education platform that I have access to with Master Resale Rights. So I get to learn and earn at the same time. That's powerful, to be able to earn money and learn knowledge and skills needed to go to the next level. So when it comes to, let's go back here. When it comes back to the funnels, these funnels, for people who don't want to be bothered with the funnels and the list building portion, but they know they need it done so they can generate money through automation, and they willing to pay somebody for that, I can charge them $1,500, $2,000, $3,000 to build out the funnel, to put the email sequence together and all that. You know what I'm saying? And so they business will be fully on automation. All they got to do is promote the link on different social media platforms or wherever they want to promote it to, and be able to make sales without having to physically be posted up on all the different social medias throughout the day trying to facilitate a sale happening. So that's why it's so powerful to have automation in place. And so that's a knowledge and skill piece I learned from the digital marketing training platform that I invested in for a one-time investment of $500, which gave me master resale rights to resell it like it's my own, but it's not. I'm transparent and straight up with people to let them know someone else created this product and gave us master resale rights to be able to resell it and make money from it and earn at the same time. That way, the knowledge and skills that I'm getting from this platform is going to allow me to better serve my online business venture, as well as make money from people who get to see it the way I see it based on my marketing message. And so if you're interested in this Master Resale Rights digital training platform that I'm have access to, and if you need to know more about it, just reach out to me. My contact information is always available when it comes to anything that I'm promoting or anything I'm talking about. And I'll see you in my next video.